Welcome back. In the last section, we defined the four main quantifiers. Now, it's time to combine them with our sequence characters to build practical, real-world patterns. Understanding how quantifiers control repetition is the key to matching complex data structures. 1. Matching variable length numbers. If we want to find all prices preceded by a $sign, we can't use a fixed number of digits because prices vary. We use the pattern $$D+. The plus sign here, plus sign, ensures that our pattern matches numbers with 1, 2, 3, or any number of digits, but only if at least one digit is present. Notice that the $sign itself must be escaped with a backslash because it is a special character in regex, which we maybe will discuss later. 2. Matching words and spaces. To extract individual words, we combine the word character sequence \w with the plus sign. The pattern \w plus matches any sequence of word characters, effectively grabbing each word. If you wanted to match multiple spaces, you may use \s plus, matching \s one or more times, which is essential for data cleaning, as we saw with our e.sub parenthesis. 3. Matching fixed-length data, like phone numbers. For data that follows a strict format, the curly brace range quantifier is the best tool. The pattern \d curly brace 3 curly brace hyphen \d curly brace 3 curly brace hyphen \d curly brace 4 curly brace is precise. It says exactly 3 digits followed by a hyphen, then 3 more digits, then a hyphen, then exactly 4 digits. This strictness is critical for validation and structured extraction. To summarize, you can now build powerful patterns for common text structures. Our next lecture 24.09, Matching Dates. See you there.